raklay marubugul belaw ida dire gal moro lotkia raklay lang arablo Taiwan dimlu ulgirel mosel mre dalmay dire gal man brang asula adru kirela ang ulgira kam sigel dire gal off island فلندي ممرئ دلمي كده دريق المال صادل تال وسوسرا بيلوم بيرك لاي مال وسيل بيلاو ما توغبت سوسر يد المورا بريزيدنت را سينات هوكونس باولس ماروغول سيناتورز سبيكر اناستاسيو ماروغول ديليجيتس غفرنور بلوي ماروغول غفرنورز سبيكر تلي ماروغول سبيكرز مارليتورز ماربك الادر بيلاو ngara blur ngayang al morhot charigi mangara kita blur bela al seeds martmar udah artel al tutau al lamentria bebera al direk maqtal da dibu serbelao gotrule en gadamra asula adios return minister Jenkins muxelo mangedra al tutau he's in good health and back, and we're blessed to have him. The chief of staff amne matagal dibus maybe say mo ay sige do singaram mirul ding kada amreng asulel plan mutelmay of course kita mugela minister tutul ma minister Gafar madregal Mr. Tuwai from Nemo quradi suad al moisa uka yelo qurab esel aisel el albuila you know November is a month of Thanksgiving gida ok ngare gel ngara ledel gida mamrul gambesa okmut mo of island ngara ledra tial Pacific Island Forum makmodi busra el almel tal Sunday اللي غدا ريكل ما تقلل قال بلورا Pacific امو قلدي برا كوك ايلاندز غدا مساعدة يجي الإيشور يجي الباسيفيك يجي الأوك بلاوا ترى ما الإنيشيتيف اللي يجي أردو بريه هوفلين سيد الغبال مراقب سيل unlocking the blue prosperity blue Pacific plan say release a commitment to Pacific to 100% managed a minimum of 30% protected legal blue Pacific amot mage release elmo الرمل لولداسو مو partner لابنتريا أرسالية دركوت مكليل المو مرال توي and that requires not only the commitment but also a financing لابنجيل مو نسيا دورو الجيرل مو ترى يجيلوك initiatives البودا take up كوك ايلاندز كده دريغا ميا سي ترى دورو رينا بكالشي جاسم مغرا increase our tourist المرا بلور ولا so I think finally Gambes and Lamo said an announcer say sell Ali Palau los pairs sell Royal Bhutan Airlines which is Druk Air will commence service November 23 say our first flight in Merbela say mo weekly after a month mo bi-weekly I mean taka bi-weekly mo twice a week sel first flight more say November 23 matia Thanksgiving and sales and it will be the first direct flight mura Singapore kada masa se tara asel mo besel magit direct open up rigid mura Europe ma India possibly gida magtatal mo kasi gida diversify magit gida tourist magda orang setia uk motara igel besel magit el selo ko tetra tourist el merbelo birigal sodro wais wase November 30th ti adirigal social man Nauru Airlines uk mamura flight tertirel el ngara bola bel merbelo diti akshiti amura Australia mliwekra Pacific e merbelo ngwal bol leru rala se de logi ungi mora a South Pacific or mora Australia ma aigal blue South se de lo yaga ngara Air Niugini lo Port Moresby mora Brisbane malo gado Air Nauru mora Bolabe mora Marshall mora Tarawa mora Nauru mora Brisbane mang tiang lulda so al direct support ria government Australia mo tamang asula government Australia tira malas Marcelo sem grado da igal blue tia ta se maybe uksel mo creator te ala tourist le erno rum na announce ria sing chin mo mer dragon rablu ngari tal sande uk murai morablu ding wal di one al ticket mo hopefully encourage our tourist el mom li qrta igal blue le other Australia wa isen di tikem kamal navigation or tir mo ron chin wa one week bela wa one week rabola be uk morme kada kada mensaje que hacen hopefully mutual help pertel el bes el maget que dadri kan meter mo ko corregir adron let kit ma blur Australia akora tegal agida akora di update bay so kalunga te al misa minister matur diure ada borse edik pasate alla minister Jenkins will di bol du sese lenga damal marmud al mutel me yo bangeda mo akmode se ada bla dire ka message asing ringi mo I think bolo de ada bla sen kagi he's back and he's healthy ma camera al budulin sula.
Thank you, Mr. President. I can only say I'm just really happy to be here. Happy to be anywhere right now, but especially here, and in good health, as pointed out. Thanksgiving, as the President pointed out, this is Thanksgiving month, and I, more than anybody else right now, have much to be thankful for. Unfortunately, I can't remember much of what happened to me, so my memory is being built as we go along. I'm getting some back naturally. I'm inputted by what people tell me I did, and so I'm taking that as what it was. But I want to thank just so many different people that I'm afraid I'll leave someone out. But I'm so thankful for the man who stopped and pulled me from the car. And he didn't need to do that, and I don't know how he found me, but he did that. And he also was responsible for getting the ambulance there in a timely manner and contacting my son to help me remove me from the car, because I wouldn't leave it voluntarily, I guess, is what they were telling me. The hospital staff were absolutely wonderful for me. Again, this is coming on what some memories I have, but mostly about what I'm being told and how quickly things happened. And so I want to thank them, the doctors and nurses up there, because I know we often only criticize them, but they saved my life, and so I owe them huge thanks. And I particularly want to get with one of the doctors later and privately give her my thanks. All the people at the Ministry of Education for making it appear as though I wasn't even gone, which I'm very proud of them for doing that and for being able to carry on. All the initiatives which we planned have been continuing, and I just had good meetings with both of my directors, and everything is well under control and we're moving forward. So I'm very thankful for their work and for how well qualified everybody there is for their positions and how seamlessly they made it happen. That's of special meaning to me, because I am told I'm not supposed to worry for a while. So I'm trying. I have no full confidence in the staff. We're in daily contact when need be, although I call them more than they seem to need to call me. But again, they are all doing a great job, and I was able to meet with them just recently last week and express my gratitude to them and thanks for all they've been doing. Again, the getting me, I don't know how it happened, how I got from here to Manila to the hospital, but it happened in a very rapid manner, and I'm so appreciative of that, because of some of the damage that was done was internal and was neurological, and so time was of the essence, and so that is something that speaks highly of our professional members of our health organization, to be able to take me from the jungles of Ngartmao to a hospital in that short a period of time is pretty amazing. So I'm very, very thankful for that. Also, for those of you who, I know most people believe in a power being, a God, and I know that many people believe in prayer. And to those of you who don't believe in prayer, I'm sitting here as a result of the prayers of the people of Palau. I am fully convinced that they brought me to life. And I would say, as you know, I was not a hardcore believer in prayer, but I have absolute faith in it now. And so to all of the people who spent some time to pray for my well-being, I give you my deepest heartfelt gratitude and thank you for everything. I only hope to be able to live up to what you've done. You've given me another chance, so I'm very happy and pleased with that. So again, thank you to everybody.
Thank you, Minister. Man, diad by the bora ger mangere. Mana wala before the borsadik pasat alla Director Wayman Tawayman البايل وقتل update تريد سيل mass rescue operation exercise المورينا next week ملا بقول راه أضرب له الجيرل سولا
Mr. President, total Murkauma, Minister Chief of Staff, Marbek Latangatiang. Welcome home, Minister Jenkins. Yellow President ng Moringa Clol exercise circuit November 9. Domodong ngit mong mass rescue operations exercise. Kita familiar sa exercise sa Olngar Airport. Hindi alir ang atom mo simulator skogil mo web tradaw. Al mukhang gesteringi Trigel Cook Partners rigid malubeng response agencies el dakal all activate sa Olngar Airport. Tiang kuktimas kita te level lo mutul bibisit tagal plan sergid. Direct milisi irsel collaboration between agencies. Ada kaya belu makasal agencies hindi nga niya bebel at time magal plan sergid ada sal collaborate magagida kel destalti al sedel al motmag motmoklo. Makura di mo details ringi Mr. President if I may exercise area mo sel trulaang sel tidak Ragor State. Mga nganya aldo menteri ada Ragor State mga mo sabedel safely secure segid area. Mo train ra al sel the hours of 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Segid el November 9 among moto da tiro da papel el al moragir rogul media social media outlets mal sabede da kay seul direct lo mridig muraboy mal malaka ko ramal mo ko klora ring al nganya ngidil gereng ng talo mo dong office segid ra nemo ra 587-6366 malbol klora ra rogul to kol mabekla o mal mshawra te al
open aula gire la ger mangere la besen bringa suleme gambes kaum wakl uk mosu in artela mugedre al silse luk adra media open aula gire la ger mangere
President Mututan Milog. Welcome back, Minister Jenkins. It's so nice to see you. To see Abraham, ang Okultural press conference. Okay. Multutaw, President.
Multutaw.
Tutaw, Minister Jenkins. Suadal mesakaw, mudal mesakaw. I guess from now, every press conference we'll get to see you. Kalmal Mr. Kau. Mga ministers, President, tiang al-amral di mo ko ba timel press conference talaga mama leilani kami mention ra Cook Island emlon nga tele la Cook ngeswel mera media mang losob el momrael el mora Cook Island ku komte er kita arngar belaw mang arngar siang file stories el main hindi swakal di mako te touch sel to ko era telo bisara Ocean Commissioner, okay. Hindi ako update sila sa item. Ngel, mareder siya yung lamubol mirbela, yung last start. Akmansyon na sila yung sil assistance, ni help para lilanin mo na kahukailan, tandar obis na niligaruba ka mo.
Oo. Yung malungin ger. Geruba kamler tiara last month. Mamle survey lo asen. Momes asen arge bolkeringi, arge mo officeringi. mulai sa January nga amluk kalme dinge 8 tar other obviously. So throughout the next year and tumamagi ko trill start al movement so after a whole year and then they hope to be fully operational al Palau. So ang wal kora romul magigogil bebira ang Fiji bebira ang Palau mol then they'll move everybody here. So kora step by step transition process. Hindi mlamul. Mumname survey action game le first time ring ber Palau. Hindi ga citizen na Marshall Island and then dire kala tralu ilel dire kam so
Di sel ngarang ablel tomle circulate ringi ra regional and mera local and medial. E markol issue lang sel both ra ngarang UNGA resolution el tialigera Israel. Ya neptokol blura Micronesia neptokol blura Pasifika wal ko ramle spliten neptokol ramle kilengay lo bangkira Israel mamarigel
I see.
Makuktim na kaya kita ko ramle abstain. Sebab komdilo sing ko ramle decision behind the sale abstention. Kasi ko ramom tali.
Umrah lo sige kita all promote abuda ma mera nagalbek kalbulu. Umrah rasa ambassador kita ngarse saya intention amle tur seguida security da amle abstain lang kida amle se sel dilu bara ablura Israel agot el makitel to makama bro also adlo mesa se magara sedel el kut mukla to logi abuda diga damne lo se atara arole lang Maria Budo, again, we have to defend ourselves. Deka, muada kora, kada balance ay gal tablong. And I think sige da ukoram le position of Belal. Of course, in Saudi Abudo, the other Israel, the regal, the grill make sure that they are lutel magis.
Saule, Presidente. Minister betul lah question nga kagila la turista. President tadi kami announce sa igal tabalol upcoming connections sa Singapore ma air now ay kisa kanila because yung kadomes ra ablur belaw low maringa low mala air connections kasi kitial alas press conference kasi sa tarwa Korea ma Taiwan Starlux ma ikita gabila akora Omnaslo kasi sel ngani ako ra projections ra numbers ra tourist ra si sel ay connections ra nga madadura LDLC ra era sarta press conference and wasi ngani ang sales ko kilmea malpto ka okya kagi sel inaugural flight ay kasi question nga kasi ngani ako ra projections wasi ang kadala mo mes ra wangara tulungan tourist ra nga let's say era na urul May yang Singapore, lalu ko start o mes el white tiale Air New Guinea. Sige na ko question.
Insulang yang malungi lakarim. Atal aksilak mo dadu robangel ngelom tera airline. Malungi totaw. According to the airline itself, it's still inaugural flight algong mal koraungil, but they won't know the exact numbers until the 10th. And they're looking at December, February, March, April are looking really heavy. So the bookings December mo ako naman mongil. In terms of projections, it's premature best I think to make predictions. Then so dal ko ra ali abay klol loader el anga oro lo mangel sel skogi ra promotion al sel Singapore. Agi dire kal mat kloro lo mangel government Australia mo malori nga sulit. Ngarinya agi dele agency blal paskida a connection ng mga sulol makal promote ra sel kukuro tra erno ginil May. Ako to close challenge kita still yung bring our other bookers sa kita legal Brisbane el mora PNG. Unfortunately our other may have all plan ahead the bukol roid. Hindi trigel mal lomsin del suwebo kal mora gal ko tadi bukra daily. tamre del bukum mre del mode kakimal sige da kura close challenger gid the one thing will give lo mo mes ringin dire kal loader bungela mave ma minister Victor o mes ra cargo mga niya udo lo bungela gid le director Collins elang na list de gero kul klal milk cheese lamb agero kul produce el kulongas al skogi and they're working with wholesalers er Palau el di mede lang agel detail ra quarantine agel ngara sebel to ra Australia mangara bela ko ngelo siso ngani ay ultimate gibel issue agel fruit fly hindi kita dire kanya fruit fly gid they're looking at ways to solve that problem eng mo sebel dire kal monia cargo misel flight dosi cargo ulit tel flight present adi maray whether it's cargo or people hindi clo marketing effort all time air now ruaga ko euro lubangela angel James again it's premature tadir kamle statal lorior hindi ang dire kan ngani aldo lubangela Lion Travel ra Taiwan el malas belmeru la package all the way to Brisbane mang dire kan lomes sa moral agencies along sirgi travel away le Simora Marshall Kiribati Nauru dire kan mora Fiji klote alert til may matte alert til mo ding dira ka bol sabe dal ko mal o tabo ida mong mga protection ra di tara so kal mention ring ya ima madem lembring ra adra FSM adra marshal malar workers ra huriping mesel flight selemeng Friday maras badong kal dira kal connect ra referral ma Taiwan ma referral ma huriping si aldas wa dira kal trial make those connections mong mera Friday means era other mera sel afternoon at 8 o'clock mas egel skogi la kabasengel mora huriping as an next sabato to Mateo. So I give you a low connect again the roll dots.
Saude minister tikrital tiwan na kanina kung sa Mr. Tuaya gusto nga ko nga diyan sa Malgerial Rescue dik tirel akora tadi because in many earlier announcement sa October direla El Niño. Siya mo ko lagi update ra regidol wasi ngara ko ra PS direct El Niño.
Naman sala malungin kile Mr. Kusole NEC a schedule del mitrak lugo ngania subcommittee NEC lo mo tong oringi el water task force el kapay siringia PPUC ma weather service lo wal technical advice el mura arang lela NEC kile la kile ko kwal po next steps malubeng ngal action plan non po take mang limit tower task force ya recommendation ng tilma NEC based weather forecast mo ato meseringi ra el November el mo December wabla sis El Niño hindi agel mo impact seringi awal bol early next year era 70% likelihood or chance mga recommendation ra almora NEC tila mo mit discuss ra klugok mo the place ra Palau ra al cell stage 1 which is it's still a voluntary basis and government ma-public mo practice sa water conservation measures. Again, ang kurawal ungila pa ilia NEC mitaklo kumbol kload albek to ko hindi sige recommendation of mas ito potosis persel action plan ng stage 1 although at ko water conservation. Hindi PPUC direct ni update ligid mo direct ko kung na-change sa bebera mechanisms as compared to more el drought kita 2016 to kunya sel ko operation wise masing sa 2016 ng madamadim le focus regal two major water reservoirs ang rigil mga rimel itim na sa lomes regal distribution tanks nga nablo orior di elang ang kukmla shift na focus we need to keep the tanks regal mo distribution tanks at optimal levels mong although vertical gravity pressure mo regal bekolobli mo adam limit la Mr. Mutuol Baules selom tela PUC and diluk mo a worst case scenario tila da soil mo alsel a water rationing and di kodit ilia meeting na klukol mo merek mo ukto to di sel wal pol tigila isil kay la mo drought action plan
Sulay akri amura hospital minister kiso ka ma-update sa ikalem MRI ma yagil kitkan ko di pumira ka pumira hasta lo sa ikel pasin na mo sa pero
Sulang ngawak la malungil kaya malungil tuta president ma beklaat. Wisa MRI ado tingil wasim la installed. di mede el final el qura agire del gut maklir au era bodo spering el diagnosis ra ada selling el mora radiologist so the urielo bangela shingo ngani atim el mera next month tirgegi dia kada mo establish se gi del link se el dingara Taiwan e mungui baigal el scanner at lagi del atta ma da radiologist gidra on island segi da wan ongerunga sel mo cost rangal sel feed tel service segi da ongerung ngi sel the finalize segi de mo se de los peringi apa sel city scan a mera January February kada mo award abi del mo ngatmok ra model maraber segi del el BS CT scan ma BS equipment X-ray magada continue lo spare tel ngara ngir gidel elang ya guk mamrura BS del maraber say gidel mo BS CT scan so around January February gida mo replace sel mal matong CT scan so ngadi el sel erul buy ngidel buy gida mo o mesa igal rogul el masil mo operational sulang
Chief of Staff ng kaniswa kan kita update nila yun Bali niya tatanggimos sila ko na
Maluwag total mora ang presidente beklad ngawakla akmili iway bro ko lam akmili texel galwasyak mo mga totor kan ilara press conference kumal masula ragir way gala dilo nga presidente nga kamle di busel talbuil 4 weeks akmlara sile Johns Hopkins School of Advanced International Studies almlara kay gidele fellowship kora di kaya bel lomsodel tel fellowship pa au lumu lo southern ngiyar leaders ra Pacific lo pangela President Biden ersel mlegot el US Pacific Leaders Summit ra selong erong amle arak teulumu ra tel nombre karak matulsi kara school at sabihin mo partner lo banggela White House sa Department of State al malil trar to as a mid-career level leaders throughout the Pacific ya mal intenter tialo gil el programa waigel na madung ekita umes ra al sila tahiyo US pluram rigel at ligibel wal koram lo ngosong sa temir ma usingil el budula Pacific min muterel al time matokora o siklo lele lo aset makarangi enhance engagement tira Pacific tegi dam letara role le tamro mga tmokler saykid ay gel koram letril focus area certial fellowship tokora maritime public health ma climate change mal koram le intensive 4 weeks ding mal nga te lirar tirakarokul fellows total am le dori dimlo 28 as ilan may kangertial fellowship for reasons el kuk longan nga alsang dim lutakal sa ilan may ding mlan nga te elam almit lo bantrirar top executives sa White House State Department direct kal mlan nga te elam mga tadurar kakarosel adal tira korawal focuser tira tokora Pacific matira direct kal korol nga siya kel kuk nga initiative sirkid direct kal dibok pisil wasay at tokora telecompact kofa awan ramal meklol topic wal blol blakatakle wasay arbek la other tial Pacific o mesel budul Amerika le wasay Amerika lang mo nga umrel liral kirela tial tokora compact how are they going to treat freely associated states gora build that trust tilo bangela balur Amerika say rather Amerika lang mal recognizer say direct kal Mr. Gosole ma Mr. Swaladaw kadambaral kora mo proud al other belaw in all those meetings in all those halls may get lectures Johns Hopkins and they have a wide network of people adi imol balura Pacific all mention ngim sa other ngi balur belaw they give great credit til gide like al tora compact man negotiation almora balur belaw ma President Whips alwase ulugum dim la lamay elolort telwase asinam na soy sibra al sila balumam en Ngual blol telgi bel miyo da omsode lama omlgingela Amerika lelgire la tokora compact. Direk kal mlaringat la melkukti kama melngal kara Palau ma FSM ma Marshall el mga dado oringkel ngia special envoy yun ra right after silmle last del hearing ringi lovangela Congress ra Amerikel even from Yun himself and was say the purpose of this program that you're in, basically, the other Pacific was say the US is serious. So one ram leger el mortira was say kami ko kukti serious el kiram el altam el ngarnya ko ra imminent threat ra sinal mira tayo yam letiging ira kwa sentiak. And I think ang kora mlamo of Aisel was engel Kurt Campbell ngke ya kora wal al leader ay kagidele tokora Indo-Pacific al advisor President Biden lamo number 2 ra State Department. So he's Deputy Secretary of State. Makorawal consensus sa mala umilging adawase with Kurt Campbell in that position. Rest assured that Asia Pacific is going to remain a priority. Al murabulura marigel. Ngiya tiamo malmol program ra Johns Hopkins. It was the first cohort. I think it's going to improve in the years to come. Hindi ko kora observation na nga kita deliable familiar program digil. Observation na nga ka other rest Pacific. I think found a new appreciation but are still on the lookout to say how is the US going to conclude the compact discussions. And we were able to meet with senior staffers sa House sa Senate. Al tira kora deliable mo maklorong dira House Speaker that they're going to be able to work on the compact and push it forward. Ngora di kay kitang wakle sa eden makaw story raw dira mutul ko makay.
President ila ali mo last dari. So abul bela ngora dira di circulate tial news ra online. Tial economic performance bela ra next fiscal year 20 next year projection as 12.4% economic growth. Mukha iso aldi mo kami talaga giral si President. Siya kora wangarang and looking beyond that yung bela akmal mag-isa ng economic.
Well, I think, of course, it's a combination of things. One, the tourism that's rebounding. Ungerunge kita almost igal activity ra military, igal construction projects and man mumsisira next year. And I think lastly, of course, because Kadomral was Amerikala compact before the end of the year, and I get additional funding and bolbeskit adri kan mo help el stimulate I get zargi the mga several to forecast. We're confident was yeah, we're headed in the right direction. It takes time, but we're getting there.
Sila last week, ma'am, lepto ka crown breaking awiwan kari. Mostly ay sila dami sa siyasing mamulog ko nga state connecting road, may nga sa state. Makumes ako kasi so sila dami ani ako na plan na government kasi ngoy ngaram ikatam la soyment ay kita ra sa state.
I got state taman maklol bulong. Especially blue ray mali, blue ring asa, blue ring pangayem mal diri ka lobe I got connecting road. Isel doktora sila gal bebera state or blue ring ragal. Ito kasi etial ngakla diri ka lobe el mera awli mang maala ba diri ka lobe el mera awli mang agi ngarawon I got ground breaking and gal ambassador as tiang number 9. Igang motelal face nan makasenda ka ambassador rumare udo da gitta complete rogoy dingyo ra isara udo da kada mas konsergira igal bekkel bulung umra se igal main connection roads the same link yasa probably in the next few years and igal kita continue igal rest I think the one good thing el desar igal migal project na ambassador man sola se igal betul migal ending betul migal contractor samruna mral kakaro se betul migal MNA HPO Rayland Engineer igal betul and so it's good to see sige dilo saying maybe so that the tal mrul and the me one clock on outside the remol edun alone for example because that was one of the proposals alone in ممكن تقصيد الإمباكت الديفلوبر تجاه اللوكال كونتراكتورز مرة صدروا كوميس ارتير البارتيسيبيت مرولا قالوا ريورم أمباسادور أنا نوصي أنتيد ما hopefully ما تريب الإنكريس ما سيراجي مارا نرت مرة إلي واسي hopefully يجي الفورست التو فيز which قدر يجي ملقات sen nextamo تريب الجماعة قاعد 400 feet 400 feet mengasi betul alman makasih tenir segi sama tu dah kampak road mengasi hal tiang dia dah girel so akmal understand the and you know there's a lot of other things الجيد الدريق المطمق ما أقول من غير قالوا ده قصيد اللي مرول على for example كده من قالوا جيت تودو ده finisher one stop shop تيان غرا بلين يلعبلو hopefully se momrega muk de gadon ita udo de seder muk mutel re focus el girela gadirigal tel blagal bus course amna se udo dol morin di alimna ga stimulus and gal seder complete but that's a big project and we're getting in to completion. The other issue a lot of these states were, for example water systems are tira getting improved mang de gadir ra la gadir longoita torara la gadir kon moita bebira activity ترى ضدنا سكذا ملك عميت for Pacific Games را 2020 من كذا مو هوسترين 2025 من بتوقع يجي كذا المطمق البريبير كذا كذا Pacific Games من أجي كذا مطمق أميتلا يلو ضد تيرا مش كذا بكر رقم ده كذا مال ده بس سيرا لام كلو تو تريل and we need to get them finished hopefully our goal auxel dial morang amian this year dekna amian moami siamo complete 2024 at least as am now mre ngat pangala dirga mangiasa and yeah and then I got more I got connecting roads I got Ukrestara yeah. Maybe we can go into subdivisions and others later, but step by step, we'll prioritize. So, sulang.
So, Presidente, I think they give you a karmama pero.
Otherwise, command sulang. The last so the dulia kadamrenga sulera tirgel tira mring loro rabek sils el tokobet sils tira al sils. Man gado happy bordel mortir. Tigangara galagaro sul ministry of course state government and the masrel al sil se tigamal dingara ministry so ngaria chanmar olgaril awong gangara ministry health and human services minister where below dirigal alvina ngira matugur kadirigal nurse ngara MHHS hospital dirigal ngaria Merlin Mobile adriya ngara Bureau of Health ngara nursing tia maltemera eja nursery gidare al sils maybe get tigal mal bring oral make sure minister gida ulang artelo bangiad madamrenga sulir dirigal novena the cell ngara along elementary school what's a BSA Bureau of School Administration Dirigal ngaria Solomon Marino, kangara Ira Elementary School, so tu ngara MOE. Dirigal ngaria Flavian Edpison, kangara Division of Fire and Rescue. JD Nirdimau, kangara Bureau of Culture and Historical Preservation, kangara Ministry of Matur. Royce Sadang. Ngangara Ministry of Finance and Bureau of Customs and Border Protection. Lastly, ngaria Kiara May Swanson. Ngangara Bureau of Environment, Division of Forest, Land and Water Management. So happy birthday. Dios se lo almol malo makal tangatara balwadara blur belau marbek la adar belau. Ma kidro gun artel al sil ko mar misulang ma uk adamang ngara ko kailan 2 weeks from now